In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in HBO Max account. First of all, launch open HBO Max application. You can see over here HBO Max application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options: subscribe now, sign in. Tap on the option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. What you have to do is simply enter your email address to continue. Tap on the field of email address. Now enter the email address associated with your account. Now tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password. Simply tap on the field of password. Now what you have to do is enter your password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the password, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in as HBO Max account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.